There she is. She's got a bird right there. Oh yeah, her tail's just a swishing. Oh yeah. Them birds have spider senses because when she gets too close to them, they freak out and jump away like they know she's there. But I know there's a reflective surface on these windows and it all looks blue from the outside, especially when the sun is out like today. They can't see in here. At nighttime when your lights are on, you can kind of see up in here. We're only on the first floor, so she just loves. I'd like to know what goes through her mind, because once the birds start moving, she's chattering and making noises. What you got, Kiki? Are you getting the birds? Oh, you see that? It don't take long. She was all into it, and then boom, they're gone. Good girl. You got the birds. That's a thrill of her day.